how to use transit app. Hello everybody, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can use the transit application. So before I go further, I must let you know that transit is a fantastic app for navigating public transport in various cities, and here is how to make the most of it. Now, the first step is to ensure that you've installed the transit application on your device, and then the second thing is to launch the application. Okay, so just click on the application to open it up and then wait for it to load. All right, so once that's loaded, on the main screen you will see a map with your location and a list of nearby transit lines along with their next departure times, just like you can see on my screen. All right, so you can just zoom in to see more about this, to see the location, your location and all of that. And then with time departures are marked with radio waves, so you know when the bus or the train is truly coming. Okay, now the reason my location is not enabled is because in my area this app is not available. That is, riders for this particular app is not available, but for you, you would see real-time departure being marked with radio waves and all of that. So you can just tap any of the radio waves line to see later departures, and then you can also use this to find the nearest stop and also track your ride. Now, if you want to plan a ride, all you need to do is to click on the search button, often located at the lower part of the screen. So once you click on it, you can see line or destination. So the next thing for you to do is to enter in your destination in this box being displayed. So let's just click on that again, and then just type out your destination. Directly for me, I'll be typing out this particular street. As you're typing it out, if there are suggestions, if your street is among the suggestions being displayed, you can just select it there. Okay, fetching suggestions. So after getting your after typing out the destination, just click on it. After clicking on it, transit routes that are available in that area would be displayed to you. Okay, now currently the place I'm heading to, that is my destination, is not being displayed here. So transit routes are not available for a particular destination. But for you, it would most likely be available. So enter in your destination and transit to show you all available options, the buses, cars, whatever, as well as the amount. So you can also compare public transports with other modes. And then once you're done, click on trip and then click on go to go ahead and continue the step by step process. All right, but for me, I cannot go on from here because the routes are not available. But for you, just select the one that you want amongst the options displayed, and then once you've done that, you would be able to continue with the process. Don't worry, just click on go. All right, and then you'll be given timely notification of when it's time to leave, when it's time to change lines, when it's time to get off the bus or train, and then you also know when the rider or the rider or the bus is available. All right, and then when you click on the settings option on the page, you can also decide to change your home address, to change your work address, to even add other location of your choice. You can decide to remove this transit map. You can just walk through around this. You can also select other modes, okay, for bikes, for walking, to calculate the amount of minutes you spend, and also you can also edit your preferences to suit your taste. So all of these have been designed to help you and to allow you have a nice time on the transit app. So ensure you make good use of this. Okay, thanks for watching and have a good day.